So this is my husband's area, but it's stuffed with my stuff. I got rid of some things the other day, but not enough. And this one is my area, but to be honest, I'm very, very frustrated. I don't really know where to start because I looked through the bins here in the front, on the sides, and then all of this I've already looked through, so I need to get to the back to be able to make decisions of what I can get rid of, because I feel like I already looked at all the front stuff, but it's all in the way now. So that's gonna require my hubby taking all this stuff out of here, which is not looking forward to that. Also, those boxes up there, I might get rid of most of those. They're nice boxes. They're probably housing stuff that I don't need because I haven't seen those in years. So that usually means they can go, but we'll see. So I've opened up a little bit of way here with my husband's help. Well, actually, he took it all out. But he still has to take these out so I can get to the back. But it's a overwhelming process. And sometimes our mind wants to say, no, I don't want to do this. I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do next. I don't want to get rid of stuff because I want it all. But this is where you have to not listen to your mind and just do it anyway, because it has to be done. And you know, in the long run, it's going to be better. So just take some baby steps. If I can just get rid of a box every time I come in here, that will make me happy. Baby steps. Oh, I love this mug. It's a Jane Austen mug. Look what this says, honey. It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man to possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife. You think that's true? Maybe. He said maybe. So I am going to be getting rid of this wreath. It's a beautiful wreath, but it's kind of sparse, and I don't know. Can you believe I'm going to say too glitzy glam, because it's really what I love. But it's going to go. I'm also getting rid of this blanket. Seems like I have extra blankets for some reason. And I'm getting rid of some Gingy even, and they're brand new. Some Hello Kitty, can you believe it? And a Gingy mixing bowl, a big white bowl with gold. The Dad Ray Dunn mugs, because my husband has so many already. And the grad, you did it. So getting rid of quite a bit today. I'm pretty pleased. One box there already. This is one beautiful pumpkin, but it's gonna go. It's a little dusty and I don't want to clean it. There's one of those tumblers that's gonna go. Starting a second box now. This is a beautiful book, A Day in the Garden, but I'm going to get rid of it. I got it from Ross. It's beautiful. If I want something like this, I can buy it at a later time. But I probably won't. This is a cute bunny basket. I bought it from Ross too, but it's going to go. I don't really have any use for it. I kind of don't want to decorate too much styles anymore, different styles, so I'm going to stick to my authentic style, which is usually glam and elegant. Not to say that this isn't elegant, because it is, but I just don't have the space for it. What are you doing, old geezer? Oh my God, he's got his St. Patrick's. You're on the wrong holiday, honey. It's all the holidays right here today. I'm gonna go through this mystery container. These are old containers. I can tell they're from the Goodwill. Oh, it's a lot. Okay, resilient, confident, and positive. We're going to get rid of that. We're still going to be all these three things. We just don't need a reminder on the pot holder. And look, got the dish towels too. So they're going to go. This one's cute, but it's going to go. I'm also going to get rid of these. I have like way too many tablecloths and fabrics, so that's going to go. I never use this one. It's nice, but I never have other towels that go with it in the bathroom, so it's gonna go. What else? These, oh my god, I've had this for like years. I don't know. I just want to grab stuff that I need to get rid of. This is nice, but do I really want to iron? I'm not going to be ironing these, so off they go. Yeah, I can't iron anyway if I wanted to. Oh, these are beautiful bags. What else can I get rid of from here? Some of these are new. I mean, this one's still kind of cool in the bag. I think I'm going to get rid of these here. I use them as napkins, which I think they are napkins. And let's see what else. I'm getting rid of this one. I'm getting rid of these. I'm getting rid of these. I never do anything with them. They're like DIY project stuff. Ornaments. And oh no, more doggy stuff in here. This one we could use now probably. And then I had a whole bunch of these glitz and glam napkins, but I'm not gonna iron them or use them. Off they go. I think these were some farmhouse napkins, which again I'm not gonna iron, so off it goes. I do love farmhouse a lot. It's just I can't decorate with all the styles. This is cute. I don't know. Might use it this time. Decided I'm gonna get rid of these white ones. Maybe, or should I use them this time around? Maybe I'll use them now and then get rid of them. We'll see. But I'm definitely gonna get rid of this one, which is really nice. I'm probably gonna get rid of this turkey one. I've already used it a few times, so it's really beautiful though. But off it goes. I kind of want to get rid of this one, but Miss Rita gave it to me, and she's the one that I donate stuff to. I mean, it's really beautiful, but I'm not really big on 4th of July decor much. But I do have some 4th of July decor, so I may keep it. And I think you put batteries here and it lights up. You know, sometimes I feel like it's hard to get rid of stuff that other people give you, but sometimes if you're not using it, you just have to make that decision. And if I ever give any of you anything, please do feel free to get rid of it. Sell it, donate it, dump it, whatever you guys want. Because if you enjoyed it a little bit and then you have to move on from it, I'm totally okay with it. I'm talking to you too, Daniel. Daniel's my friend here on YouTube. Huh? Speaking of, Daniel might want this. Daniel's my friend here on YouTube. I'll put his link to his channel down below. His channel is Golden Finds, and he loves stuff like this, so he may want this. Daniel, let me know if you want this. I'll probably send him a picture today. And it's brand new, by the way. I got it from the spring collection, $49.99, I think it was. I think it's from Hobby Lobby though, so I don't know. But anyway, so this one is really beautiful, but I find that I'm not cleaning silver. I just can't sit there, and my back does not tolerate cleaning silver. So it's definitely probably going to go, or might be sold. Yeah, this one might be sold because it did cost me a pretty penny, I think. Yep, $40 from Home Goods. Just needs a good cleaning. I'll have my husband maybe clean it for selling. This one's a pretty penny too, but if I can find someone that could make good use of it, then I'd rather just give it to them. So Daniel, let me know if you do want this or not. Okay, so this is my second box. I'm even getting rid of these, more dish towels and more pot holders. And this is getting out of control. I need to put this all together in this one bag, or box rather. Yeah, maybe I should take the basket out of here and more stuff can fit in here. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, that might be better. So I'm not buying, note to self, don't buy any more fabric materials, faux books, dish towels, anything table setting, because I got way too much, even new ones. No more doilies, no more baskets, none of that stuff, or even table linens, because I've got way too much. So see, that's already full. Maybe I should put this in a bag, actually. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to switch it over in here. Okay, that's much better. So now we can leave this one Actually, maybe the pumpkin can go in there so it doesn't get damaged for Miss Rita. And get rid of this other stuff like this. I'm getting rid of all this. This was like emergency supplies and stuff, so I have to dump these because I don't know how old they are and I don't like to keep them. Like some of them look a little not too good. So off it goes. Oh, Pancho Villa's here. I've emptied at least 3 containers already. So now I'm going on to this one. See what's in here. I kind of do want to keep these. They're so pretty. So these are things that I bought at Ross or thrifted, I think. Actually, this one was from Burlington, $4.99. They're so pretty. But I don't want a lot of spring decor like this anymore. That's ceramic and it can break. Look at this cutie. I bought him at Ross, but I find that Ross has a lot of like faux lookalikes from Home Goods and other places. Like this one here. See, this is really cute, but it's not like as cute as the ones I like from Home Goods. So I'm just gonna do away with these. And note to self, don't buy any more Ross decor that is faux lookalike. Let's see what's in here. This is like Christmas. Oh, these are the bubblegum machines. I'm not sure if I want to get rid of those yet. See, this is what I mean by faux bunny kisses. It's really cute from Ross. But the thing is, it's not real Ray Dunn. But it looks like Ray Dunn. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it. And it got all dusty or something. Dusty, crusty, and musty. So here's another one of those faux mugs. They're really cute. Like, don't take it the wrong way. I love these mugs, but when you have to get rid of stuff because there's no space, you have to make hard choices. And the faux ones are the first ones to go. I also have placemats here, some florals, which is the reason why I don't want to keep florals anymore, because they get all dusty, crusty, and musty, and they get all like smashed. These aren't that smashed, but kind of doing away with pinks. There's another one of those baskets, but this one's the yellow one. More florals. I don't know if these are the ones my hubby gave me, but they're good to go because they're smashed. Some boxes that I use for my Valentine's, but that's gonna go. This seems to be all Valentine's Day stuff. This was beautiful. And then these are nice. They're neutral like the way I like them, but I just don't want that. It's not jiving. You know when something just doesn't jive with you? And this is light pink, like a pastel pink. I'm getting rid of this. It came from Ross. Okay, so I am getting rid of these. These were beautiful fillers that I bought. I think it was from Dollar Tree a couple years back, and I have like 3 of them. At the time, they were really nice to actually fill up my china cabinet, but I don't have that piece of furniture anymore. I have a couple more here. And even this one, I think this was a Ray Dunn, I want to say. It's really pretty, but I'm done with it. Okay, pun intended. I'm getting rid of that mug. This little heart-shaped bowl. Just like stuff that's not really name brand or that I really want, like this. It's cute, but I'm done with him. Smile. Mi esposo el gnomo siempre ha de salir. Okay. Look at all these cute gnomes. I almost want to keep them, but I won't. I'm also getting rid of this cutie pie. He's gonna go. It's cute. I think it came from Target, but yeah, I'm done with him. Oh my gosh. How many? This is a scrunchie. How many of these gnomes did I buy? See, the gnomes are in here already. I switched them over to the back because they don't break. But look how cute. I guess I bought them all as fillers, but they're gonna go. Same thing. It's like a faux kind of, I don't know, I call it like a faux look because Ross has this cute decor that looks like the nicer stuff. And don't get me wrong, this is nice stuff too, but you have to pick and choose what you can keep. And I would choose to keep the stuff that's like Johanna Parker, things like that. Even these, I don't know what to do. I kind of like the little gnomes. I'm gonna get rid of this one. That one goes. Even the Valentine's Day house. I think I'm gonna. Oh, is that it's creating some of this. I think you call it grazing or something. I don't know. It was from Target, so it's gonna go. He's a cutie, but he's gonna go. This one's gonna go. And I think that's it. I don't know what this belongs to, but it's might go. These are pretty. I think I got rid of these last time. So I think I'm gonna get rid of these too. Even though I want them, they're pretty. I wanna eat them, but they're gonna go. This one says yes. The conversation hearts, that's gonna go. I don't know about these. I feel like this is something. Oh look, give it to God. Yes, I'm gonna give it to God. I'll be okay thanks to him. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep that. Anything scripture related I love to keep. It's a cute little house. See, like a little trinket box. I'm gonna keep the glitter. I don't do much DIYs. I kind of almost want to keep him. He's just adorbs, right? I think I might keep him for now, and I'll keep that. And I probably will keep this one. And I kind of want to get rid of the bird because it's so big. Yeah, I think it's gonna go. I think I woke up the grasshoppers in here. I hear them. Oh, they stopped. Another day in the dungeon. I'm taking stuff out, and my goal is to get in there and get more stuff decluttered. My husband already took some stuff out, so this is kind of a continuation on this series of decluttering. I don't know if okay, let's see if he does it this time.